Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, and as we can see, very much looking like it is following the rest of the altcoin market. As I've said for other cryptos today, Veracity, VeChain, pretty much every altcoin, large cap altcoin that I've been looking at, I've basically been looking at the same thing, which is this recent massive move to the upside, forming into a bit of a descending wedge, and then the break and the retest for pretty much every single altcoin. They've been shaping up this same way, and you can see here Polygon, no exception to this, obviously coming back into this previous area of supply as demand here, this big area of resistance as support. You can see we were in a little bit of a range here for a while, apart from this deviation here which was instantly gobbled up, but you can see we've got resistance and support formed. Come back down to support, test resistance twice, test support again, and then break down finally. Coming down, we grab the liquidity below the bear market range low, as you can see here. Once we got down below that level, I did take a long position because I knew that we were going to have a big move to the upside soon. You can see here Polygon basically huge parabolic move to the upside, 1 2 3 4 5 waves in this local pump, and then obviously hitting a resistance up here at the 0.38 Fibonacci in and around that 70 cent area. Obviously there's a good amount of structure back here as well, people taking profits, and then you can see we've started to come down back down to this area at around 44 cents, which, as I said, was this previous level of resistance as support. And then this local area, just like we have for quite a few different cryptos, putting in another range that we have been respecting pretty well. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Just basically following what Bitcoin's doing. If you take a quick look at Bitcoin, you can see it's also in a range recently after, you know, this big bearish divergence that we saw playing out from this ascending channel. Broken down and then obviously putting in a bit of bearish market structure. But we haven't yet broken down below this low here. I do think if we do, we'll be heading back down towards this 80k area pretty quickly. But right now you can see Bitcoin not doing too much. Polygon basically just retracing and now going sideways in line with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin just basically waiting for Bitcoin to lead the way in either direction. Not much to report apart from this. We're basically waiting to see if Bitcoin continues to go sideways or has a little bit of a relief rally tomorrow for Monday. Then we'll probably see Polygon heading back up in the range again. If Bitcoin does break down from that range though, which is entirely possible, we'll obviously see Polygon, I think, heading down like this, back down into this previous range area. But for now, everything very dependent on Bitcoin as always, apart from when we are in altcoin season, which we haven't seen yet for this cycle, really. So let's see what happens next. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.